Yo, what is up, guys? I'm That Only Beast 13. Right now, I'm back with another mod showcase, and right now, I am with the Web Displays mod, and this is a pretty cool mod that is unbelievable. I will show you what it looks like in a second, but first, I want to show you all the details of the mod, and let's reduce lag by a little bit. And anyway, this mod is pretty cool. It's pretty much the internet in Minecraft, which is unheard of. And first, let me show you all the recipes, what everything does, and let me explain it. And first, right here, this is the screen where you actually use to look at the internet on Minecraft, and this is how it's crafted with 3 different types of dye: red, green, and blue, and then with some glass panes at the top and the bottom, and then there you go, you get the screen. And next is the mini pad, which is pretty cool. It's pretty much where you could see the screen on like a little iPad, I guess you could call it a ripoff of. And it is pretty expensive, taking 2 diamonds, but all the other recipes isn't that hard to get anyway. Next, with the wireless linker, this is probably one of the most important things in the mod, probably the second most important other than the screen. It's not that hard to make, which is really good considering it's really important. Anyway, let's go on with the next item. And this requires, to build the next item, a stone key. It just takes 1 pressure plate to make it. And then you surround it with a bunch of redstone, and then you get the keyboard, which is a little bit weird on the item frames. Anyway, this item, the computer interface, I'm not even sure what this does. I know on my mod showcases I said I'll try to keep it as detailed as I can, but I literally don't know what this is. I tried looking it up. I couldn't see much about this. If you could figure it out, just leave it in a comment and I'll put it in the description. If it's not in the description, then I couldn't figure out what it does. But I would just pretty much say it's useless for now until I actually update the description. And next is the remote screen controller, which means you can put in the URL for the screen from far away. And again, not expensive to make. And here is some stuff about the mod, small features. This one's actually pretty big, that you need to keep it 16 by 9 block size, like like it needs to be 16 like far and then up tall 9. Anyway, and you still must have an internet connection. Unfortunately, let's say like a storm hits your house and you have no connection, this mod will not work. That would be really cool. But I think that one's kind of common sense. I have tested it, and it still keeps history as if you're on your regular computer, so don't look up anything you shouldn't be looking up. Anyway, let me show you this cool little display I did over here, and as you can see, I'm on YouTube in Minecraft, and let me show you every single block into use. Okay, first let's start off with the wireless keyboard, and I will need the wireless linker. I can place it down right here, and for it to be used, I need to click with the wireless linker, and at the bottom left it says it's displayed. Then I put it on the keyboard, and now let's say I want to search something. First I have to go up there, and then if I look right here, if you could look up there, let's try to type in my YouTube channel. I'm That Only Beast 13. Hit enter, then hit escape again. Oops, escape, and then you can find my channel, and look at it trying to autocorrect me. And then I could go on my channel, I could click and do everything like I'm on my channel. I could scroll down, which I honestly think it's kind of weird. I wish there was an easier way to scroll down, like if you're on a laptop or something or on a computer, you could use the scroll on your mouse, which would be pretty cool if there was a way to do that. But next we have the remote screen controller, and let's place that down right next to the keyboard, and let's link it. And let's say I wanna do youtube.com and then my YouTube channel, Only Beast, even though I'm already on it, but I think it'll refresh. Yeah, pretty much refresh. And let's get rid of it just to show you I could go back to YouTube, and there we go, and it should go back to YouTube. Or do I need a slash at the end? I'm pretty sure I don't. Yep, now it's back at YouTube, and the next item we have is the mini pad, which is really freaking cool. I right click it and I could see whatever's on there on here. Like I could go behind it, I can move far away, and I can still be on it, but after a certain distance it does go black because it's like disconnected or something like that. And like you can watch videos and everything too. Let's go on a video on my channel and then like watch 2 seconds of it and show you some pretty cool stuff about it. And let's say I wanted to watch my last week's showcase. Something pretty cool is, as you can hear me in the background, let me mute that. Anyway, and also something really cool is, let's turn up the volume a little bit. Alright, right now you can hear it. It might be louder than me, but the sound does not affect it. Okay, what I'm pretty much saying is that the sound does not affect the video. This actual part actually affects the video, which is pretty cool. And the full screen is glitched for this. So if you can, do not go in full screen. And I'm pretty sure like HD and everything works, but I don't know if it really changes the quality all too much. I mean, it doesn't really look like it did that much. But anyway, that is that. And I do believe that is most of everything I have to show you. And something pretty cool I want to show you, let's get rid of all of that, is I want to show you something pretty cool that is an awesome feature on this. Wait, www. And I will show you in a second. Alright guys, and I am back, and something pretty cool is that you could play games on Minecraft from other websites. I'm on this website called Ninja Kiwi. I'm not sponsored by them. I just really like this website, and there's ads and everything still. So don't think this is a free ad block. You could play games, multiplayer and single player on here. Like, this is pretty much the same thing. Oh god, a loud ad. I can't get rid of the volume. Yeah, I'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, I am back, and something pretty cool I want to show you. This game is called Bloons Tower Defense 5. I did play it in a recent video of mine, and again, sorry for that ad. And I could pretty much play single player and multiplayer on it as if I was on my regular desktop. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm just gonna start up a game right here, showing you that I could do that. Let's just do the first level on easy. I'm obviously not gonna play the whole thing, but I want to show you that I could play regular games on here. Like, I could click the thing. I don't have to drag it. I just have to click where I want to place it, and I placed it. And I could speed everything up, and look, I'm playing normally, which is pretty cool. And let me show you that you could do multiplayer stuff within this mod, which is pretty cool. Think of all this in like one mod. It's like really amazing. All right. Again, that's another problem. I don't like the scrolling. It's kind of an issue. And let's just find a game really quickly, just so I could show you that I could do that. Hopefully, it won't take too long. And if you actually want to play on this website, I'll put a link in the description. I actually really recommend it. They're all safe and really fun. But anyway, back to the mod, and I can mini pad it when I play the game. And oh, look, I'm connected. Like, see, I could watch it on here, which is pretty cool. If you don't know the game, then you're probably pretty confused. I feel bad for this guy because I'm just gonna leave. Like, I could place it. Let me just start the match, and then I can see it on here, and I am still playing multiplayer with another player, which is pretty freaking cool in my opinion. So let's go back to YouTube. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this mod review. I tried keeping it as detailed as possible. And again, I want you to tell me, guys, if I did a good job, if you did not understand this mod, because I'm sure there's a couple of you who did not know what this mod is, even though a good amount of famous YouTubers have done it. But anyway, every link will be in the description. And also, one more small little fact is, you could have two screens on at the same time, but I don't know if that'll affect the game in any way. For me, it hasn't. And also, I'm not sure if this is multiplayer, just throwing that out there. Anyway, finally, links in the description. I'm ThatOnlyBeast13, and I'm out.